Should an Xfinity modem be blinking? Blinking lights on an Xfinity modem are normal in many situations, as they indicate various stages of connectivity and data transmission. However, understanding the meaning of different blinking patterns can help you identify whether your modem is functioning correctly or experiencing an issue. Let's break down what different blinking lights typically mean. First, power light. Solid light. The modem has power and is working properly. Blinking light indicates the modem is booting up or experiencing a power issue. Action: if it blinks for an extended period, unplug the modem, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. If the issue persists, check the power source. 2. Downstream receive light. Blinking light. The modem is scanning for a downstream connection. Solid light. A successful downstream connection is established. Action: if it keeps blinking, there might be a signal issue. Check the coaxial cable or contact Xfinity for assistance. 3. Upstream send light. Blinking light. The modem is attempting to establish an upstream connection. Solid light. Upstream connection is stable. Action: persistent blinking might indicate a line issue. Check cables or contact support. 4th, online internet light. Blinking light. The modem is trying to establish an internet connection. Solid light. The internet connection is active and stable. Action: if the blinking continues, there might be an outage or connectivity issue. 5.2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi lights. Blinking light indicates data is being transmitted over the wireless network. Solid light typically means Wi-Fi is active but not currently transmitting data. Action: blinking here is normal. If no devices are connected and it's still blinking, investigate further. 6th, Ethernet connected devices light. Blinking light indicates active data transmission through the Ethernet ports. Solid light, rare, usually means a connected device is present but inactive. Action: blinking is normal if devices are actively in use. 7. Voice telephone light, if applicable. Blinking light. The modem is trying to establish a connection with the voice service. Solid light. Voice service is active and ready for use. Action: continuous blinking may indicate an issue with the phone line. 8. WPS Button Light. Blinking light. The modem is in pairing mode to connect a new device. Solid light. The WPS connection is established. Action: if it's blinking without your interaction, disable WPS to secure your network. 9. Orange red light. Blinking. Orange light, firmware update in progress, normal but temporary. Blinking red light indicates a connectivity or hardware issue. Action: if a red light persists, restart the modem and check Xfinity service status. Blinking lights on an Xfinity modem are often a sign of normal operation, especially when transmitting data. However, prolonged blinking or unusual colors might signal a problem requiring troubleshooting or professional support. Understanding these patterns helps you respond appropriately to keep your connection stable.